Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're gonna do a video a little bit different, and we're actually gonna talk a little bit about our Black Friday sale. So if you haven't already noticed, we do carry almost everything that you're gonna need for the Hydrographics. And so we wanted to shoot a quick little video and tell you guys a few things about it. We're gonna have some of our films up to 30% off. So if you're interested in any of those, or you may wanna have a bulk order, now is always the time to do that. As well as if you're interested in any of the online trainings, that is always going to be the best time with up to 25% off, which is a great deal, especially for the online training, because you can watch it there at your home and everything is all gonna be right there at your fingertips to learn anything about the Hydrographics. Definitely wanna check that out. Check out our DIY kits. They are gonna be on sale at up to 15% off. Custom film is also going to be on sale. We've got 15% off of all of the custom film. So if you haven't tried the custom film, it is always a big hit because you can do just about any pattern that you want, as well as there is thousands of already made patterns that a customer is probably going to be able to pick from at least one or several of those. So definitely check those out as well. If you use any of the paints, the primers, the clear coats, the cleaners, or anything like that, we're gonna have all of those on sale at up to 10% off. Definitely a great savings, especially if you're gonna be buying those in bulk, maybe in gallon form or something like that. If you thought about upgrading your equipment, or you're wanting to possibly get into the industry and start up your own business, we're actually gonna have our equipment on sale as well. So go and check that out on the website. It's going to be the best sales that we have all year long. So the activator is actually going to be a buy one, get one half off. So if you're using any of our activator, whenever you buy a gallon, you're going to get another gallon at half price. So I know this video is a little bit different than a lot of our tips and tricks videos, but we're pretty excited about the Black sale, and we wanted to show you guys a few things of what we've got going on, so that way you can get ready and you know exactly what you might need for the upcoming year, the upcoming jobs, or anything like that. So definitely check out the sales that we're gonna have, because you can always save a lot of money during our Black Friday sale. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and we'll see you guys soon.